Well, I got a few comments asking about how I got set up on this. As you can tell, it's not fancy, but it gets the job done. It's a manual. I got some brackets welded on. I didn't have time to really brace them because Mother Nature waits on no one. So I just drew this on here, welded it. This is an old universal plow, probably for a tractor. I had to cut it down a little and stuff, make brackets, and get it pivoting and everything. I ain't got a winch set up or nothing, but I'll show you how I did that. It's very simple. You might can do one to yours. I know it probably was a mid-mount for the tractor, but on this ATV it had to be a front. And it works fine for my driveway. And you can see from the driveway I just got done plowing. It does fine enough. It'd do a lot better with a winch. But back to the utility four-wheeler. I just got a ratchet strap on it. I got this style snowplow on it. If you want to look it up. All that good and dandy stuff. That's my bracket set up right now. There's some welds. This is from the part that went onto the tractor. I just blocked it up here. Put some attachment points. You can see I done flexed a little and broke that center piece right there, which is fine. We'll tighten that up in a future video when we add the winch. See under here. And that's the stock pivot point bolts right there. It needs to flex, and that's so when you hit something hard, your four-wheel will pick up like this, and you don't damage nothing. So you need to be able to tilt up and down, mostly down. So like you hit something hard, you try to push up on it, it won't break nothing. That's the way I think though. Does that make sense? But it's a utility four-wheeler. And I tell you, it's been a good investment. I got about $1,000 into this. The way it's set up right now, it's two four-wheels built into one. The parts four-wheels over there. It still needs a lot of love, a lot of care. I had to get it this summer, but by God, it's been paying for itself this winter. I plowed my driveway. I've been pulling stuff around with it, utility trailers and stuff like that. I always been a racing four-wheel guy. Never personally owned a utility four-wheeler, for myself, and I understand them now. It took till I'm this old. They handy as hell. But I give you a walk around on it. It's a 650 Recon. It's got this. I keep my tools in. I ain't got it bolted on right now. It does need some work. This is from the other four-wheeler. The plastic ain't all the way on it. It's pretty nice. I keep my welding hammer on it. I usually carry a little flux core on this too to go around and weld with. It just makes carrying tools and stuff simpler. It's got a cracked manifold. I can't wait to get that cleaned up. A winch on it to make that look all presentable. Because that's me, I like presentable stuff. You can see it's off like that. Lay my hand back up here. There we go. That's a Miller Elite. Fancy, I know. But it works out. So I don't know about you. It's 19 degrees outside, maybe 17. I'm not got my gloves on right now, and my hands are starting to ache, and it's cold. So I'm gonna put this up for the night. Hopefully it don't snow no more. My driveway's cleared out. I need to uncover some vehicles. They got icicles hanging off of them. About a foot, maybe a foot of snow. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about the snowplow setup. Any suggestions to make it a little stronger and stuff. I know I'm gonna be able to, when I add the winch, I'm gonna staffen it up a lot, make that look a lot cleaner, plate it and stuff. But for now, comment below.